I gave you last night.
You haven't fulfilled your promise.
Hello guys.
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to our channel. This is Daodu and Esther's YouTube.
This is Daodu and Esther's YouTube channel.
Esther's YouTube channel. My name is Esther and he is Daodu.
Ever Daodu. Ever.
I was hoping you'd say your lines now. Ever Daodu. Yeah, guys. So today we are coming to you with
story time.
Funny story.
Tales by our moonlight story. I want you to say that. Tales our grandma tells us. Whatever. So it's our story. This is our own story. We are the grandmas here. And then you will grab your popcorns, grab your colas, grab your seats with the earpiece. You need your earpiece to listen to us very well.
Yeah.
So today we want to talk about how our first kiss went, how it went, the whole story behind the first kiss. Let's just go into the story. So, do you want to go first, or I should go? Do you want me to go?
Go.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically,
we both went to the same university. I think.
Yeah. First of all, we both went to the same university. The first night that happened when we were in college, in university. I was in my second year,
and I was in my first year.
Yeah, so that was it. And we went to, should I say the name of the university?
Say it now.
There's a reason why I'm asking, because they can expel you. Even after finishing, they can still expel you.
We went to a private university.
We actually went to a private university located
in...
She's saying the name, the name starts with R.
Reading University.
VC, I didn't say it though.
Okay, continue.
It didn't come from my mouth. My name is
I don't think they are on YouTube.
My name is no Daodu.
Okay.
So we went to Redeemers University in Osun State.
Yeah.
So it's a private university.
Previously on Redemption Camp.
It was previously on Redemption Camp. So our kiss really happened on Redemption Camp, not when we went to Ededo. Yeah. The first kiss
when the school was still there.
Well, when it was still in Ogun State. So that was it. Our hostels on camp then, it was very, very close to each other. You have the boys hostel, you have the girls hostel, very close to each other.
Yeah.
So we've started dating actually.
Yeah.
We've actually started dating, and I think we played a game in night before.
Yeah.
That was what started the whole thing.
Yeah. I remember we had like midnight call.
We had a midnight call, so instead of me to study, I wasn't studying. So we had midnight call. Thank God I graduated with something good, Tiff. We had midnight call. If not, my father would have killed me. We had midnight call. So during the midnight call, as a sharp guy now, very bad sharp guy. I know the thing is, I'm not from America whereby scenarios happen, your book drop, you look around, you try picking the book together,
or you go like on the first date,
or you go on the first date,
you guys
didn't go up like that. But basically what happened was, as a Nigerian guy, I had to come up with a way to kiss this girl now, you understand? After like asking her out, she don't accept. You can't just be a no JT.
It's about by
I'm not JT, I'm not chocolates. So what happened was that night I had to come up with a game, truth or dare. So I said, well, let's play truth or dare now. So we played the truth and everything. Truth, we're doing truth. Tricky master, man. So I looked at what can I do? Like, what can I do? I just dared. Was it a question? I can't remember, but I know it was either a difficult question. No, it can't be a difficult question because you answer. So I think I dared you. Yeah, I dared you. So it was so difficult that she couldn't answer. She was like, and same me came up with a penalty. Like there is a prize after if you can't do it. Yeah, so there's a prize for it. So I just told her, okay. She now asked me, like, since I can't do your dear, what's the penalty for it and everything? So I said a kiss, like 30 seconds kiss kind of shout. I don't think we kept time.
We didn't keep any time.
I just said kiss. I just said a kiss. So she said okay. She agreed to it. She's actually my girl. She was actually my girlfriend. She's actually my girlfriend then. Yeah. So she agreed to it and everything. So that was the night before. So the next day, where we now
try to actualize
put the motion on rolling. So I now, after classes the whole day, I called her out. I'm like, okay, I want to take
it was
a
like
stroll.
in the evening.
It was
like
late in the evening.
7:07 was dark anyway.
So yeah. So I told her I want to go on a stroll,
take a walk
and all. So she said, okay, let's go. So we went and
we walked.
Things you do for a kiss.
We walked.
Things you do for love. We walked and walked and walked
and kept on walking
and kept walking just because you want to kiss.
Guys, because our school is
the rules in the school is so strict. You can literally, like, really, you can really get expelled if you guys are caught kissing. So,
and even if you're walking with a guy, like,
yeah, exactly. If you guys are walking,
you can't hold hands like this to walk. So you guys just have to walk.
You can get expelled.
Just normal, separately, and just walk casually. You even have to walk as if nothing's happening between you guys. Yeah. You have to walk like
so that when security catches you, you can easily deny each other.
It's my classmate now, something like that. I went to get assignments.
So yeah, so you have to make it very casual. So we had to make it a little bit tricky. So we went on a walk and we went the other direction.
Yeah. We
saw some places though, but they were not very secretive.
And there might be cameras and
everything. So people looking around and also we just kept walking. So we went round the school, went round our hostel basically. Went round the school.
And mind you, we're like on camp, our school, like, it's still very big, even in Ede, like very, very big, definitely.
Yeah, but distance.
The distance on camp was very, very, if you guys, like some Nigerians would not be there on camp, how big it is.
So we walked around the place and finally we came to a place whereby it's dark. There are no street lights. Dark and no street lights, so we don't expect any cameras to be there actually. So obviously. So we went round and we got to dark corner. So there were not much people because it's very dark and bushy. So not bushy, but on the side like that, it's kind of bushy. So people don't really plot that route and all. Yeah, so they don't go through that side. So we just went through the area. It was a few meters before our boys' hostel. So I came up with the whole previous night's activity, the game.
You remember
the game?
Last night.
You haven't fulfilled your promise. I had to just come out like, remember last time we played the game, you haven't fulfilled your promise, so when are you going to fulfill it? And blah, 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 blah. Like, as if I didn't know that it's not that I was expecting it. I was actually expecting that.
We both had it in mind because I knew that this uncle wanted to kiss. That's why we were walking around the school like,
I'm going to diswife you. I'll diswife you.
It's true that because, like, how do we walk that way? Maybe from GT Bank, if I can remember.
We took from hostel, went through GT Bank,
went round through school, through RHS,
and through that Love Garden. Went through Love Garden and
guys, let's continue the story.
So we went there. We got behind the hostel. It was dark. Then I brought up my game thing, previous night. Then she just accepted and she said, "Okay." And we smiled and we kissed.
We're shy.
I was very shy. I used to be very shy. Yeah. So I'm still very shy. Yeah, I'm still very shy. So we just kissed actually.
And guess what, guys? The kiss was just like.
It was like that.
And that was it. That was all about it.
We walked.
How many?
For a kiss.
Like, do you know how? Like, I don't even know how long. It was more than 30 minutes.
It was more than 30
it was more than.
Trust me, it was more than. Even 45 minutes. We walked around school. Finally, we got to a place we kissed. And that was to be sincere, it was actually cool. Yeah. Like, kissing her was very cool. Like, feeling the soft lips. My lip. Mom, if you're listening to this, I'm still your boy. I'm still your own boy.
Why did you say it?
I'm still your own boy for you, right?
Babe.
That was it. Yes, now at least I'm doing them proud now. They can say, yeah, that's my boy. Don't worry, you You did right. You did right.
No worry, I'll share this link with my mom.
But that was how the whole kiss went. Kissed and so just a little peck though. And we worked for it. But it was very, very cool. I really liked it.
Yeah, me too. It was nice.
It was cute. So that was it, guys.
Yeah, that was all about our first kiss. Yeah, we have a lot of story time coming up. Plenty.
A lot of stories. How we met.
Oh,
God. That was very. That one is. That's the peak. The pinnacle of everything. That's the peak. Yeah. So we have more stories for you guys. We hope you guys enjoyed. On the comment section, just drop your own kiss story. We don't mind listening to reading. Just kidding, guys.
Did you walk that long for us?
Yeah, did you guys walk or walked?
Let us know if you walked that long for us.
So that's it, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share our videos, like, share to your family members, let them laugh too. If you know my mom, share to her.
I'm not there. Yeah, and if you are new on our page, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get our videos. Yeah. So thank you very much,
love
guys.
You. See you in the next one. Goodbye.
We do this for you guys. We love you guys.
Bye, guys.
Goodbye.